If you paid attention to my video last night, I gave you guys the best levels to be trading at. What is going on, traders? You guys crushed it today. In today's video, I'm going to go over the trades we ended up taking today to make me almost 6,000 USD on the day today, as well as preparing you guys to trade the best setups at the best prices like we usually do. Let's get into it. So I ended up giving you guys a buy zone. My buy zone ended up being 544 and 543 this morning. As soon as we ended up breaking down to 544, Dimitri and myself ended up alerting live to the Discord and on live streaming. We entered 543 calls and brought these disgustingly in the money, guys. I told you, the first 30-minute candle to close above 545.50, it was free money calls to potentially 547.50. We were 50 cents off, but that just goes to show how good this technical analysis and the zone we are trading. So we brought 543 calls deep in the money. We ended up buying puts at the exact high of the day today. I ended up getting into 545 calls, and then I ended up doubling down and then tripling down on this little squeeze. I held such conviction to myself and Dimitri because we knew this was an overreaction play. So if you were a part of the Discord today, everyone absolutely killed it. Big shout out to Dimitri. He made almost $20,000 today. Options Doctor almost made $15,000 today. And then there's me that made 6K today. But who cares, guys? As long as everyone's winning, guys, we are crushing it day in and day out. Now, moving forward until tomorrow, what is the strategy? So 544 was our key level. This is the reason why we ended up buying calls at the low of this morning. Because if you look left and you zoom out, every time we touched this level, we ended up bouncing, having massive bounces at. So once we gapped up, we came back down. The previous 30-minute candle already used 544 support. So once we ended up breaking through it again, this is the reason why we bought the calls. Now, at the end of the day, we broke through this level. So what are we looking at? We are looking at a 30-minute candle to come retest 544 to get a rejection. This is what we're looking at. The previous floor, we want to make a resistance. We did not retest this level. We may gap down tomorrow to potentially 542 to 541.36. This is where the level I'm going to start getting extremely bullish at and be buying calls to 544. Who knows where we're going to open tomorrow, guys? But this is what I'm seeing. I like to see previous floors be created roofs, and that is the confirmation to go short. I don't like buying when the floor breaks. I like buying when the floor breaks and then retest. So that's what I'm waiting for. The lower levels we have to pay attention to. I have a previous buy zone at 540 to 539.55. I don't think we're going to come this low. I personally think that we will be 541 calls tomorrow will be a very good play. After that, 540.78, right? Now puts, where are we going to short at? What's the best level to be shorting at? Easy, the previous floor, 544. This may run up to 544.50, but this is the range that I'm looking at to be doing shorts. If you look at the 5-minute time frame today, guys, we ended up breaking through previous closing price. This was a gap and go. But do you see this 5-minute candle? Do you see how we didn't retest it? SPY likes to break and retest, right? We broke out of this level. This is why we are extremely bearish towards the high of the day today. Literally the high of the day today. I ended up having 240 contracts, guys, and brought these deep in the money because I had conviction. Same with Dimitri and same with Options Doctor. But you see how we did not break out of this level? Or we did not retest? Look what SPY ended up doing. Coming back and retest everything it broke out of on this morning's this morning's rip, the squeeze. We broke through previous close, all my EMA lines, 545, 545.50. This is the reason why we kept holding our puts and added to our puts, because we know that it's going to come retest at very least the first level of resistance, which would be 545.51, and then 545 to the gap, as well as this level at 544 that we broke out of and did not retest. Tomorrow's game plan, puts at 544. If you see a 30-minute candle close above that level, cut your puts, okay? I am extremely bearish under 544. I don't care what this drops to. I'm going to be bullish until I see a 30-minute confirmation of a 544 rejection. Keep an eye at 542.74, the previous closing price, guys, and that is it. We have a big deal going on right now, guys. Our monthly subscriptions, and we just launched Sniper University. We have 12 videos, a video lesson library that shows everything that I know about trading, as well as Dimitri, guys. This is a new program that we've been started, and we've been working on it for quite some time. So if you'd like to take advantage of it, if you'd like live callouts, live alerts, live streaming, only live streaming, guys, this is a Discord to be. We have a 90% win rate. Dimitri and myself have not yet had one red month in 2024, which means we've been profitable for the last 6 months, and then the next 6 months, guys, we're here to crush it day in and day out. Thank you guys so much for watching the channel. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Take care, guys.